Hey there, Jasper. How are you? My name is Ashley. I know that Monica was in contact with Lee, and basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do to better your overall rankings in Google and really maximize your traffic. And in doing that, you will be beating out your competition online. I'm going to try and keep this video nice and short as I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. And so yeah, with that being said, I will first start with your current website. And the first thing that I have to say is your little logo. I love your logo. It is so cute. And yes, I love it. And then I like how you have your guys' phone number right from the get-go. I like your guys' services tabs. I like your about us tabs. I like this up here. So it just makes it a little bit more easy, or makes it easier, I should say, for your clients to navigate your website. So scrolling through here, just taking a look at your content. I see that you guys do have some content with some keywords in there, which is great, but it does look like you guys are lacking a little bit of content. Google likes to see right around 1,500 words, and now everything that I have highlighted is all considered content. Notice I have your pictures highlighted as well. That's because they're considered content as well. A lot of people don't know that, but so look, if I want to be found for water and fire restoration, Palm Beach, Florida, I'm going to have that as a header. I'm going to have that in my description, and I might even save a picture as that. So instead of saving this image as professional services, I might save it as water and fire restoration, Palm Beach, Florida. So yes, that would be my first tip for you, is to get some more content on your homepage here and fit in some keywords that you want to be found for. And because I did a general search for water and fire restoration in your area and found these guys down here are your competitors. I'm going to show you how to beat these guys. But if we take a look at what their content looks like, they do have more content than you, which is one of the reasons why they are currently outranking you. And they do have some keywords fit in their content, which, like I said, is why they are currently outranking you when it comes to that. So that's my first tip. And if we come here, I'm just gonna break down Google a little bit. So as we can see, the Google guaranteed ads are up here, and some people like these ads because Google will guarantee the job up to a certain percent in terms of money. And the conversion rate is pretty high, so that's good for you because the only thing that you get charged for is calls. And most of the time when people are calling, they're actually looking to make a purchase rather than filling out a form submit where, they may just be interested. So then if we move down here to this area, the GMB, 40% of traffic comes from this area. And getting in this area just consists of having more citations than this top guy does. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I'd find out all the different directories that these guys are listed in, and I'd list myself in those on top of like 300 more. Because look, whatever your competitors have to do, whether it's from this area or this area down here, you're going to have to do the same exact thing and then some, because we want to get above them, right? So, and if you're wondering what a citation is, it's just anywhere that allows your business's name, address, and phone number to be listed in different directories across the web, like Angie's List, Yelp, stuff like that. So that is my next tip for you, is to get some more citations than this top guy. And down to this last section of Google, this is the organic section, and getting in here consists of backlinks, which a backlink is just a link created when one website links back to your website. Now, I actually found you guys on the 3rd page of Google, and you need to be on this first page of Google because nobody clicks more businesses. Nobody's clicking on the 2nd, 3rd page of Google. So you need to be on this first page, and to get you here, we need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So we come over here to a paid resource I use, and we can see your your stats compared to your competitors. You can see you have 1 backlink and 12 organic keywords. Now, if we take a look at what keywords you're currently being found for, water and fire restoration, Palm Beach, Florida is one of them. And if you were in the first position for these keywords, you'd be getting a lot more traffic. For instance, this is the exact keyword I used to find that Redemption 911, and they're getting all the traffic from that specific keyword because they're in the first position for it. I hope that makes sense. So then if we come over here and look at your competitors' keywords, these are all specific keywords that they are being found for. Now, water cleanup, West Palm Beach, Florida, that is being typed in the Google search bar 450 times. And 158 people are directly going to their site. That is huge. That is a huge keyword, and that is a lot of traffic that you are missing out on by, first of all, not having these keywords in your content, but second of all, not ranking in Google. And then water and fire restoration, Palm Beach, Florida, that is being searched 100 times, and 16 people out of those 100 are directly going to their site. Now, I don't know what a job is worth to you guys, but let's say you were to land 10 of these 16 people and you get $1,000 per job. That's $10,000 off just one keyword. That's a lot of money that you guys are also missing out on, because traffic ends up being money. Traffic equals money. So yeah, I hope you can see the importance of these keywords and what they can do for you, especially being in your content. Now, as far as their backlinks, if these backlinks are strong enough to get these guys in that top position, then they're strong enough to get you there too, right? So what I'd do is I'd go and I'd get these backlinks pointing at you. And yeah, now that's all I have for you as of right now, Jasper. But look, reach out. I'd love to chat some more. These guys are not going to be hard to beat. I have the knowledge and the means to get you in these top positions and get you on this first page of Google, which is where you need to be. So yeah, reach out. I'd love to chat some more. Again, my name is Ashley. My phone number is 570-536-4151. And get excited because I'm excited. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Jasper.